Gloria liked to wear food on her face.
Gah!
But not good food.
Hello. A gross dog just licked my face. No, that's how it goes when you're...
CJ, where are you going? We're supposed to play here.
It's what's happening in Chicago. Tell me everything. Go away. Are you guys going out?
I see the horsey.
No, don't go in there. CJ, stop!
Whoa, boy! Whoa!
From the way he was breathing, I knew Ethan was scared.
I don't know. I feel like...
What are you doing?
Hey, let me call you back.
CJ just got in with Lioness.
Hey, come here.
She could have been hurt, Gloria. Bailey saved her.
Let me get this straight. It's one of those hero dogs you see on TV.
Its name is Bailey.
I love when my boy Ethan says my name.
Go inside.
I know what you did, boss dog. Come on.